Greetings YouTube, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. So in today's video, we'll discuss 4 major keys of One Audio headphones. So let's jump now. Unboxing time. So let's see what comes in the box. If you're wondering why the box came beaten, no idea. Actually, this is gonna be a big mystery. So let's see now what comes in the box. So we have a cables, we have the headphones, and some useful paper as well. Actually, the company gives you a 2 years warranty. This is a very nice touch. So if you have any problems, just contact the company with some useful contacts there. Also, we have a user manual as well. And let's check the cables. We have a micro USB cable, no Type-C unfortunately. Also the audio cable is 3.5 to 6.3 inch as well. Also with the microphone, so you can do phone calls as well. And let's check the headphones now. They come in a really nice pouch, no hard case unfortunately. And let's check the headphones now. So first impressions, I was very surprised. They are very good. The design is nice with a nice branding on the top, red stitching. I do like the design. It's very nice and clean. They look very smart. Also they're lightweight as well, and the materials overall looks pretty good. I know they're made from plastic, but I do like the design, the swivel, and overall the build quality is okay, and I do like the headphones. So nice touch. Okay, so let's talk about the price. So the price in the UK is about 40 British pounds, which I think is a not bad price. And the price in the States is about 55 USA dollars. So quite reasonable price, I think. So good price. The build quality is another feature. Should I say feature? Yeah, I can say feature. Why not? So the build quality is important, obviously, because you're gonna wear them for a long time, but I'll talk about the comfort in a minute. But the build quality, as we can see, is made from plastic. I do like the red stitching on the top, and they have a quite nice and expensive feeling in my opinion. And they kind of look like the Audio-Technica MX50, the most popular Audio-Technica headphones in my opinion, but they look similar, and this is not bad thing, but the build quality is not bad. Obviously they get a lot of fingerprints and quite dust as well, and they are lightweight as well. They're not very heavy, which again, this is a plus because you're gonna wear them for a long time. So the build quality is made from plastic, but in my opinion it's not bad. So obviously they want to make the headphones light as possible, and they have this expensive feeling, which in my opinion, good job. Let's talk about the comfort, which is the most important aspect of the headphones when you wear them for a long time of period. And I can say the comfort is there. They deliver on comfort, and the reason for that is obviously they're made from plastic. They are lightweight, and this is a very good plus. So some people maybe will like that, because some people maybe don't. Obviously plastic, the build quality is not fantastic, but in my opinion is good. No complaints whatsoever. Comfort wise, definitely they deliver, and I can say they're very good. No problems with the comfort. So according to my tests, I got 22 hours on a 50% volume. So the playtime of the headphones at 30 hours. So 22 hours actually is not bad if you're on a long flight. The cable that comes with is 3.5mm to 6.3. No fast charging unfortunately, so the charging time is 3 hours. Sound quality. Let's talk about the sound quality. Sound quality is very important aspect of the headphones. So sound quality wise, I was surprised actually. So sound quality is very very good, but they're not perfect. So there's a couple of things that you should know before you buy these headphones. First, they're not very clear in my opinion, so I miss a little bit clarity of the music, of the sound. I need this clarity in my opinion. But for music, they're very good. Also try podcasts. I try also to edit a couple of videos with the headphones. I monitor some of my videos. Very good. I was surprised actually, but I missed the clarity of the headphones. And personally, I think if the headphones they had like a digital app to change the sound a little bit, that would be a great spot for me. Again, they have something, I think in my opinion, which it's a little bit misleading in the title of the headphones. They have studio on the headphones title, which again, this I think this is not right in my opinion. So if you're planning to buy the headphones for studio monitoring, so let's say you want to record professional music, they're not good for studio in my opinion. You should buy something more professional. But for video editing, podcast, music, general listening of music, they're very very good. So sound quality wise, yeah, they're good. All right, price not bad, $57, not bad actually, about £40 in UK. The build quality, it's alright, plastic, but obviously they're lightweight. Comfort, yeah, they deliver. The comfort is there, which I cannot complain. Like I mentioned in the video, in the review, I was waiting for a long time of period, no problems whatsoever. Sound quality is good. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. I mean, it was a lot of fun to put this content for you, so I'll appreciate if you like the button, and this will help me a lot. YouTube will do the thing and just, they'll promote and show the content to many people, probably maybe 2 or 3 people. So yeah, this is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like, so I will be appreciated as well. So yeah, a lot of fun. So I'll see you in the next video.